We write and draw on the blackboard. Blackboard. Blackboard, write and learn. We write on the whiteboard with a marker. Whiteboard. Whiteboard, write and erase. A desk is where I read, write, and study. Desk. Desk, sit and study. A chair gives me a place to sit. Chair. Chair, sit down safely. Chalk is used for writing on a blackboard. Chalk. Chalk, draw on the board. A marker writes colorful lines on a whiteboard. Marker. Marker, write and close the cap. A globe is a round model of Earth. Globe. Globe, spin around the world. A map shows where places are located. Map. Map, find the way. A bulletin board displays pictures and information. Bulletin board. Bulletin board, show our work. The school bell tells us when class begins or ends. School bell. School bell, ring for class. A bookshelf keeps books neat and organized. Bookshelf. Bookshelf, choose and return a book. The teacher's desk holds teaching materials. Teacher's desk. Teacher's desk, materials for class. A classroom clock helps us know the time. Classroom clock. Classroom clock, tick-tock time. A projector shows pictures and lessons on a screen. Projector. Projector, show the lesson. Look, it's an elephant. A screen displays pictures, words, and videos. Screen. Screen, look and learn. A computer helps us learn and create. Computer. Computer, click and learn. A keyboard lets us type letters and words. Keyboard. Keyboard, press the keys. A mouse moves the pointer on a computer. Mouse. Mouse, move and click. A printer puts pictures and words onto paper. Printer. Printer, print the page. A pencil sharpener makes a pencil point sharp. Pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener, turn and sharpen. A trash can holds things we need to throw away. Trash can. Trash can, keep the classroom clean. A recycling bin collects materials that can be used again. Recycling bin. Recycling bin, sort and recycle. A reading corner is a quiet place to enjoy books. Reading corner. Reading corner, sit and read. The classroom door lets us enter and leave the room. Classroom door. Classroom door, open and close carefully. A classroom window lets in light and shows the view outside. Classroom window. Classroom window, light and fresh air. A classroom rug is a soft place for group activities. Classroom rug. Classroom rug, sit and learn together. A supply cabinet stores classroom materials. Supply cabinet. Supply cabinet, take and return supplies. A classroom calendar helps us learn days, weeks, and months. Classroom calendar. Classroom calendar, learn about time. An alphabet chart shows the letters from A to Z. Alphabet chart. Alphabet chart, learn the letters. A number chart helps us recognize and count numbers. Number chart. Number chart, count and learn. A classroom library is a place to find and read books. Classroom library. Classroom library, choose a story. A learning board helps us practice many classroom lessons. Learning board. Learning board, explore and learn.